Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, it's me Mr. Atik from the Fame Academy of English Language. Today I'm here to deliver a chapter topic about that how can we avoid ourselves from politics. I mean as a student. Dear friends, now I hope you know even better than me that it's the worst habit of our current custom. That whenever a common person goes to somewhere, then people get into politics with that person. So after that, that person becomes angry. That why? Why do people get into politics with me? Here, I didn't come to learn politics from you people. So in that case, what should that person do? Now I have some solutions which I am going to tell you or advise you, and through which you people can avoid yourselves from politics. Is that you must not become a part of that lobbying which is spreading negativity or any negative vibe at the academy or at school. Then we use a specific word which is called sorry. So after that we use a specific word which is called sprinkle term. Now does any one of you people know that what does sprinkle term means? Sprinkle term are those people who are in the common school. So whenever the second student joins their school, then the same students get into politics with that person. So now, in that case, that person must leave that society and that school. So it was my chapter topic. I hope it will have know something about this thing.